So today we are dealing with a hypothetical situation. So consider our Earth, which is not having its inner core with high temperature. So in this Earth, we are making a hole and dropping an object through this hole. So the hypothetical question, or otherwise the hypothetical situation, is that what will happen if you make a hole from one end to the other end of the Earth and drop an object which is having a mass through this hole? Will it pass through the one end to the other, or any other motion will take place? At the same time, what are all the effects which will be acting on that particular body with a mass? So in this case, we come to a concept which is Earth's gravitational pull. So simply, whenever we apply a force to drag something towards us, that particular force is what we call as pull. Similarly, the Earth is also having a force which is called Earth's gravitational pull. So this Earth's gravitational pull can be defined as an attraction that the Earth exerts on an object towards it. So when we drop this object through this end, it approaches the center of the Earth, and it's because of the Earth's gravitational pull. As this object approaches the middle or the center of the Earth, the velocity of this object increases. This is because the gravitational pull of Earth is more at the center. So as the gravitational pull increases, the velocity of this object also increases. So that is how it undergoes an acceleration when it approaches the center of the Earth. So once this object approaches the center or reaches the center of the Earth, it gains a velocity which is called as escape velocity. So now the object is at the center, and this time it gains a velocity which is called as escape velocity. So this escape velocity can be defined as a minimum speed which an object requires to get rid of the influence of Earth's gravitational pull. So because of this escape velocity, the object moves towards the other extremity, or otherwise the other end. As it moves towards the other end, it will undergo deceleration. That is, the velocity decreases. This is because, again, the object experiences the gravitational pull from the center. So that is why it undergoes a deceleration. So this object will reach the other end, and again it will go back to the other extremity. So in this case, we can see that the object will be going down and then it will go again up. So it will be following a motion of a pendulum. So it resembles the motion of a pendulum. It goes to and fro, to and fro. So as in pendulum, we can see that it goes to and fro, and finally it rests at the center. Similarly, this object also goes up and down, and finally it rests at the center. So that's all for this section.